Hi, this is Megan Jacks, Creative Memories Independent Advisor, and I'm here with a third video to show you how to use a Creative Memories custom cutting system to make the shutter icons. This icon matches perfectly with the picture of this collection. In fact, this multicolored shutter icon was inspired by one of the stickers from the the picture this collection, the stickers, this one right here. And I'm going to show you how to do it. And you don't have to necessarily cut 8 or 6 different circles to get those individual pieces. I did them from scraps. So the first thing we're going to do is, if you've watched any of the other videos on this particular technique, we're going to go ahead and create our shutter blades. And to do that, I'm going to show you how to do it because we're going to create a template first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use just some scratch paper to make the shutter blades. And to do this, I'm going to go ahead and use the large circle from the custom cutting system. And I'm going to use my red blade. And I'm going to go all the way around the outside. And then what I have to do here is I'm going to have to center it on my cutting mat. So it should center at it's about a 1/6 inch. So I'm going to my 3s and my 9s, and there it looks pretty good. Then I'm going to use my gemstone. I want the hexagon in the middle there, and here I'm going to center it as best I can. And I got off center there a little bit. And then once again, I'm going to use the red blade on the interior. And then I'm going to grab my trusty 12-inch trimmer. And I'm going to make the blades themselves, once again, lining up on that flat edge, on my trimming edge, flat edge of the hexagon. And I just start in the middle of the hexagon and I slice downward. And all I'm worried about here is I just need one blade. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to trim it at, give it a 1/4 inch trim. This is small, so I have to work, kind of hold it down carefully. Now I have my shutter blade. Now, what I realized when I made this is that I could actually use this to make a template, a cardboard template, and then I can use scraps of paper to make individual shutter blades, so I can vary the color of the shutter blades without having to make all those circles and all those hexagon cuts. So what I did is I just traced along the outside of a piece of cardboard. This is the cardboard chipboard type stuff that's on the inside of our card stocks. Perfect size for this. So I just used my pencil, went all the way around, used a pair of scissors, and I cut it out. And this is what I have. I did note on here that this shutter set will pair with a circle that is cut with the blue blade to make the larger circle, and then I can cut my shutters to go around that. And then all I did was grab different colors that kind of went with that sticker I was trying to mimic and traced around them. I cut them out and used my repositionable adhesive to adhere them onto a piece of white paper that, like I said, I had cut with the large circle and the blue blade. And then for this layout, all I simply did is I have a piece of, picture this, tone-on-tone paper, the teal tone-on-tone stripe, and then one of the strips, the border strips, it's part of the designer paper, and a couple of 4x5s. Once I actually put my pictures on here, I will go ahead and add some more stickers and other embellishments, but this is a super cute icon. I've also done it in more of a muted color, so you can see just a subtle, this is a tonal gray and black, which I could use on something else. This I didn't have to use the template method. I was able to just use the circle method with the hexagon and cut all my blades out that way. It's a fun technique. You can really have a lot of fun with the different sizes. You just need a circle and you need a hexagon, and you just trim out the blades like I showed, always using that 1/4 of an inch to trim off on the long edge of the blade so that you have that little bit of separation between all of them. So I hope you've enjoyed the series. There's a total of 3 videos talking about the shutter blade icon and how to use the custom cutting system to make it. It's really easy. Give it a shot. The picture of this collection is wonderful. As I said, this is currently July 2020. It is available on the website. It's a great collection. I definitely encourage you to check it out. I'll have to talk to you soon. Thanks.